All right, next question is from Augustus Kent. He said, is it even possible to do a decentralized on-off ramp? Surely it always involves trust, swapping fiat for crypto. Do you think there's such a thing as a trustless escrow service that could be created?
Trust could be reduced, right? Even some Bitcoin on ramp solutions are doing that. For example, HODL. So they're using some multi-sig scheme involving escrow. And then, it could be improved, right? So instead of a single escrow, we may have a lot of possible validators, right? If trust couldn't be fully eliminated, it could be reduced, right, to some minimum.
Yeah, and hopefully, if you can create more of an environment of reduced trust, you can make multiple environments of reduced trust, and then kind of move back towards a more distributed or decentralized model rather than just having one. But let's see. I would say that's one of the biggest bottlenecks in our industry, to be honest, in terms of actually making it more usable as some type of foreign currency. You know what I mean?
Yeah, if we are talking that Bitcoin and Ergo is digital gold, right, then there should be some infrastructure, mostly off-chain, but maybe with trust reduced via on-chain tools around this digital gold.
Yeah. All right, next question.